Now let's make our ranch. So first step in ranch is going to be our wet ingredients. I'm using mayo. I like to use Kewpie mayo. Think of this as more of a guideline, a framework that you can make changes within to make a ranch your own style. This is just one of the ways I like it. Not a lot of mayo left in there. We may need a little bit more to make this thick, so let's open up a new one. Now that's some mayo. Got some buttermilk. So give it a nice little tanginess. Classic buttermilk ranch flavor. That's probably enough. I'm aiming for like pretty much equal parts buttermilk, mayo, and sour cream here. It always freaks me out. This Faye has this little protective thing on top, paper, and I think something's wrong with the sour cream when I first open it. Cool beans, liquid smoke. I like some smokiness. I like some Worcestershire sauce, more savoriness. Green onion. Split that in half and we'll cut off the end. You can just put them in as, you know, big longs like this, as long as they fit into your blender thing. I find that like they act as a stirring mechanism. They help mix everything together all the way through real quick. Put in 2 cloves of garlic. Get all the skin off of it. I said I was going to add some heat, so I'm doing a little cayenne. Probably good. White pepper. Just some regular table salt. And a little bit of some fresh parsley. Make sure this isn't sandy. This is going to be good. Put this on the blender. It tastes delicious, so savory, smoky. Already tastes a little bit bacony from that smoky savoriness. I'm going to add a little bit more mayonnaise to help thicken it up. And let's put it into our Nomnom sauce bottle. Beautiful.